My name is Srinidhi. I am from ZPHS RP Colony, Kukatpalli Mandal, Medchal district. I felt very happy today because our drone became back from neighbors. Very special thanks to our CM Revanth Reddy sir and Hydra Commissioner Ranganath sir. I felt very happy today. Once again, thank you sir for giving this drone back.
Clap. Okay. Hydra.
Thank you.
Apsa.
Thank you.
Apsa.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Apsa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Hydra. Okay, thank you. Hydra.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Thank you.
Hydra.
Apsa.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Apsa.
Thank you.
గట్టిగా చెప్పండి.
Thank you.
Right.